Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy Darley, and today's video is going to be a clean with me, and we're going to be focusing on the outside of the house. We have the front porch and the back porch that we're going to be cleaning today. I'm so excited to show you these areas because I have not shown you our back porch in a really long time, and we're getting ready to do a makeover, which I will talk about later on in the video. But I also have some really exciting news at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around until the end so you can hear what we're so excited about. Now here on the front porch, I'm not going to actually do a cleaning, but I am going to be cutting down some of these flowers because they have definitely grown since we put them out here. And then I also have some hanging florals that look like they are beginning to die. These ones, they don't look too bad, but the white ones that we have definitely look like they are just getting way too much sun. So I'm going to be taking those down and I'm going to water those and try to bring them back to life. So the first thing that I'm going to do is cut some of these florals down that are right here on the front porch, and these are so pretty, but they have definitely grown a ton since we put them out here. So I'm just going to trim them down and make them look a lot better. Now because I did have to trim them down, I had to pull the florals off too, and that stinks, but it's okay because they'll end up growing back and it'll be fine. Now, if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Amy Darley, and we live in the Savannah, Georgia area, just right outside of Savannah, and I do lots of cleaning motivation, organization, home decor, all kinds of things on my channel here, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. I have lots of really fun videos planned and a lot of makeovers and organization videos coming. So if you like that type of stuff, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and also click the little bell that's right next to it, because that will make sure to notify you anytime that I post new videos. That way you don't miss them. So I hope that you guys are excited. If you are new, then make sure to say hey in the comments and let me know where you're from. If you are one of my returning subscribers, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're here as well. As always, I want you guys to let me know what you're doing while you're watching. So I decided to keep these pink little florals for my daughter Gracie June. She absolutely loves to pick flowers, so I saved those for her, and then I'm going to throw the rest of this stuff out into the woods right here on the side of our house. And for some reason I decided to pick the windiest day to do this, but it definitely felt nice outside when I was cleaning. Now these are the white florals that I was saying. They look like they have been getting way too much sun, and even though they are supposed to be mostly sun, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and give them lots of water. I took them down and I'm gonna let them sit to the side for a few days and keep watering them to see if I can get them to come back to life. Whatever that is choking your chest, I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side, so let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you. Also, I wanted to say really quick, I absolutely love this watering hose. It has been such a game changer when it comes to watering all the florals on my porch, especially the hanging ones. So I highly recommend this one. I'll link one just like it down in the description box. And then I'll also link any of my porch decor that you guys see here in case you're interested in checking some of that stuff out. If you want, open your door. Okay, so now we're moving to the back porch, and this is where I'm actually going to do a lot of cleaning because it was so dusty back here. We just had our house pressure washed a few weeks ago, and the back porch is just full of pollen, so I'm going to go in here and do a really good cleaning. But I also wanted to let y'all know that we are getting ready to do a complete makeover back here on the back porch, especially this little area here that has our fridge. We're going to be putting in some shelves, and then we got a new little wine slash Coke can, whatever fridge off of Wayfair that's going to be going in this area. We're going to do some shiplap back there and put some floating shelves. We also are getting some new back porch furniture, and then I also just got this chair right here. This is the egg chair. It's actually from Walmart. It is the Target dupe, and the one from Target is $499 or $450, somewhere around there. This one was only $299. So I'm going to link this chair for you guys down in the description box, and you have to find it when it's in stock because it goes out of stock so fast. So if you're interested in this chair, definitely check the description box, and I'll have it linked here. It looks exactly like the one from Target, but it is so much cheaper, and it's very, very good quality and has the best reviews. So the first thing I'm doing out here is I'm going to go ahead and sweep really quick, and probably should have just gone ahead and blown this out with our blower, which I do at the end again. So I don't know why I decided to sweep. If you want to save yourself some time, then definitely just go ahead and blow it out.
Oh wow, holy shoot.
Oh my gosh, the door's open over there.
I want to hold it.
Please don't. Just put it outside. What if it's poisonous?
It's fine.
Oh my gosh. That thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Do not bring it back in here. Okay, so I had to leave that in, and if you've seen me clean my back porch before, I feel like there's always something back here. Last time it was a frog. This time it was a ginormous lizard, and I know it maybe didn't look as big on camera, but I'm telling y'all, I have not seen a lizard that big before. And the reason I said it was maybe poisonous was because when I first saw it, it looked like it was like a reddish color, which was crazy. So anyways, I thought that would give you guys a laugh for today. And yes, I do not like anything that crawls or jumps or flies or basically anything but dogs. Alright, so now I'm filling up my mop bucket with some Pine Sol and water, and I just put a little bit of Pine Sol in here, and then I'm going to use the end dust that I have to, first I'm cleaning down the trash can and the little mini fridge and then this table, which all of this stuff is going to be going out of here whenever we're doing our makeover, but we're waiting on a guy to come, and it's going to be a few more weeks before we can get the shiplap and all that kind of stuff put up. So and then the shelves put in. So for right now, I'm just cleaning everything down. We're going to leave it out here for right now. And then after I cleaned down that trash can with the end dust, it still had some stuff on the outside. So I decided to wipe it down with the Pine Sol and then dry it off. But now I'm just going to wipe down the fridge and the table with the end dust. Now, I'm just so excited about this project out here because we absolutely love sitting on our back porch watching TV and just hanging out, especially in the mornings and in the afternoons. But because of the whole like social distancing and all of that kind of stuff, it's definitely slowed down our little project. But as we are going through this project, I'm going to be sharing with you every step of the way. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe so you can see how it all turns out. We actually have already ordered every single bit of stuff that's going to be going out here. So I can't wait to see how it all turns out and to share it with you guys along the way. Now I'm just going to wipe down the screens really quick on the inside, and I probably should have done the outside too, but I don't know. By the end of all of this, I was exhausted, and I told Chance he could do the outside later because usually he really takes care of the outside of the house. But anyways, all I'm doing is I took my Swiffer and put a microfiber cloth at the bottom and just attached it to the bottom. and then dipped it into my mop bucket. So I've got the pine sol and water mixture on the end of my microfiber cloth, and this actually worked really, really well and didn't take me long at all to do. Now I'm going to move on to the windows and the door frame, and I'm just wiping this down with my Jaws glass cleaner, and I love this stuff. And then I'm going to go around it with a microfiber cloth and just kind of clean. I dipped that part into the mop bucket as well. So you could also use, since my door and the frame and everything is white, I could also use a magic eraser if I wanted to, but honestly these were not too dirty at all. I was surprised that they weren't a lot dirtier. Now the furniture that we have out here on the back porch, we've actually had for probably 7 or 8 years now. We got it from, I think, Lowe's, and I'm just so surprised at how well this stuff has held up, especially the cushions. Everything is still in really good condition, but we'll probably end up moving this to the outside porch so we can sit out there on this and just have more seating when we have people over, and that'll be nice. But I'm just wiping this down with that same microfiber cloth, and I also dipped it into that mop bucket, and I'm wiping down the cushions and everything with this. Now you could also take this out and use your pressure washer and clean it off that way, but I decided that we just wanted to do a really quick wipe down here, and then of course soon we'll have the other furniture, so we'll just we can take that outside and maybe pressure wash it at that point. Now the last thing that I'm going to clean off is this Yeti cooler, and it honestly has only been out here for a few days, and Chance is going to put it back in the garage anyways because it does not stay out here. And then by this time I was all hot and sweaty, so I just had Chance do a quick blow of the porch with the blower. And like I said earlier, I should have done the blower in the beginning because it's so much easier than sweeping on this concrete floor. Now our porch is all clean. We can sit out here in the evenings and not have to be worrying about being covered in pollen and sneezing every 2 seconds. So it's so nice to have this done, checked off of our list, and I hope it gave you some motivation to get some things checked off of your own cleaning to-do list at your house. Now, if you guys want to see how our porch makeover project turns out, then be sure to click that subscribe button before you leave, and also the bell, so that way you're notified anytime we post new videos so you don't miss this project, because it is going to be so amazing. We've had this on our to-do list since we moved in our house a few years ago, so we are definitely excited to get it done. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much, and stick around because we're about to share our new and exciting news with you guys. So a few years ago, I started my YouTube channel, and originally, I don't know if you guys know this, but my channel was called Team Darley when we started because I had planned on sharing basically my life and everything that I'm passionate about, from shopping to home decor, cleaning, family life, being a mom, and just anything and everything that I found would be helpful on my channel. But after a while, we figured out that most of the people that were watching our videos were coming and subscribing because of the cleaning content that they got and also the home decor. So I changed the channel name to just Amy Darley, and my channel became focused on mainly cleaning and home decor. Now, I have sprinkled in lifestyle stuff here and there so you guys could get to know us better, but obviously the things that do well on this channel is mainly anything to do with our home, and that is why I changed our channel name to Amy Darley, and I feel like it's been such a great fit, and I love everything that we've built here. But we are wanting to share a little bit more, and we want to keep it separated. So our big news, dun dun dun, we are starting a second channel, and it is going to be called Team Darley. Yay! We are so stinking excited. I feel like this journey has just come full circle, so it was just only fitting that we name our new channel Team Darley, and we are going to still have our channel here, which I hope you guys stick around for and still come for the weekly cleaning motivation and home projects and all of that kind of stuff. But on our new channel, I'm basically going to share all the other things that I want to share that have to do with our life. We're going to have vlogs, shopping. We're still going to have projects over there as well, cooking, and just anything and everything that I feel like sharing with you guys and that you want to see. So I'm going to have our new channel down in the description box. If you guys want to go ahead and go subscribe there, I will have that link for you. We're going to be posting videos on Thursdays and Sundays on the new channel, and our first video is going to actually come out this Thursday. And then here on my main channel, I'm going to still be posting every single Tuesday to bring you all the motivational content that you need as well. So I hope you guys are as excited as we are about this new journey and being able to connect with you even more. And I mean this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so, so much for all the love and support and encouragement. It just means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in more videos. See you soon. Bye.